Good Morning Angels is Jacaranda 94.2 se omgeeprogram en elke woensdagoggend so net voor 7 probeer ons die hand van iemand vat om hulle lewe so 'n bietjie makliker te maak. Vanoggend vat ons die hand van 'n groep vroue wat ander vroue oplei om hulle lewens beter te maak. Well, today, Good Morning Angels will visit Sheriat. It's a training and help facility for women in Silverton in Pretoria. They currently have around 30 women under their wing, and they are being trained to bake, sew, do hair, sell clothes, anything to enable them to earn a living. Now, these women are all from backgrounds of hardship and need, but when they leave Sheriat, they are not only able to take care of themselves, but also their families and their larger communities. And what is very special about this morning is that we have a returning angel.
Oh, that's incredible.
Yes, we have a returning angel who brought along another angel friend. Now, this returning angel is, of course, SPA. And because they care so much about women, they are there with the angel crew and with Nicole to meet our very special people this morning. Good morning, Nicole.
So we're going to talk to Marika and just ask her a little bit about the house and just to ask her about what happens here. Marika, wat gebeur hier?
Gewoonlik is ons is 'n charity wat vrouens ophef. Ons doen skills development en job creation. En ons probeer om vrouens, ons einddoel is om vrouens selfstandig te kry. So ons werk met hulle op al die verskillende vlakke van die lewe, emosioneel, geestelik, fisies, finansiëel, life skills. Ons probeer hulle op 'n plek kry waar hulle 'n contributing member to society is en nie iemand wat vat van society nie. So dis wat ons hier doen.
Well, dis amazing, Marika. Dis wonderlik om te hoor van die suksesverhale wat julle beleef, maar julle het 'n bietjie hulp nodig. En Nicole, daar's 'n baie spesiale engel by jou. Sy naam is Jerome Jacobs. Good morning, Jerome.
Good morning, Jacaranda team. How are you?
Very well, thanks.
Good, man, Jerome.
And always so much better for speaking to you. What have you brought along this time?
Being involved in the community, it's our absolute pleasure to really come here this morning and say we're going to be donating 20,000 rands worth of product, of SPA branded product, to help their baking project.
Wow, that's incredible.
For the baking project. And Jerome, you're not alone. You brought along a friend.
Absolutely.
We've got Varusha here. She's from Stork. She's assistant brand manager. Varusha, tell us your good news.
We would like to donate 10,000 rand worth of Stork baking
Then, Marika, dis nie al nie, van die Good Morning Angels Golf Day Fund, gaan ons vir julle 20,000 rand.
And I'm happy because Sheriat, if I tell you through, I'm happy. She helped me too much because I've got too much nyaka. But Sheriat, I tell you this, help me.
Ek dink wat vir ons ongelooflik is in ons weeklikse tyd wat ons bymekaar kom bid ons baie keer vir Sheriat en ons vertrou dat dit gaan uitbrei, dat ons al die vrouens wat hier werk wil meer vrouens betrek en meer vrouens help. Dit groei en ons kan meer vrouens van Mamelodi en die omgewing kry en meer vrouens, want hulle moet hier kom sodat ons met hulle verhouding kan bou en sodat ons hulle vaardigheid kan leer en sodat ons vir hulle inkomste kan bewerkstellig. So daai beteken vir ons meer vrouens en meer effektiewe hulp. So ons is baie dankbaar en baie opgewonde. Dankie.
Vir meer inligting besoek vatmyhand.co.za.